I just wanted to let you know that I was headed off to Bill Ricka to remove an old toilet and install a new one. Wish me luck. Thanks.
Hi.
Hi. Do you mind if I record? We use it for YouTube.
Record?
Yeah, we record what we do for work. If you don't want me to, I can shut it off.
Oh, I don't care.
Alrighty.
Sure, that's fine.
This is my mom. She's my helper. Hi. Alrighty, so that way's the bathroom, right? This one?
Yep.
Nice tight fit.
Oh yeah, it's a tight fit.
Oh wow, that's a ways away from the wall.
Yeah, I measured it. You asked to measure it.
Yeah, so that you got the right one.
15.5 to the center.
Okay.
From the molding.
So what did they give you for a the rough? Did you talk to the guys at Home Depot? Or you just picked it up?
You just picked it up.
Okay. Alrighty. Right. Hopefully this shut off. Did you already have this off?
No. You tell me it's not working. It's broken.
Yeah, the shut-off's not. Yeah, the shut-off's no good.
Oh, great.
Alright. I might have to just trace this downstairs. Is the bulkhead, can I get that, or can I get down there from up here, right? Alright, so I am going to start this and sucking this out. We have an issue. It's not shutting off enough. So, this is what we're gonna do. The main shutoff isn't. The main shutoff's not working right. Okay. For the house, for the whole house. So. Alright, if you want to set that back there and take that putty knife and just cut open that box out there where the toilet is. No, I don't need any of that yet. Yeah, I won't use that wax. I'll explain to you why after. Okay. Flathead in here.
You want to go get your flathead? Want a putty knife?
No, I'm gonna need the flathead. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I could just loosen this.
That other one's lightweight.
Still easier.
As far as the tank goes.
Still easy. They're all light until you put them together. That's where they're not light. But I couldn't get behind this one to... I can fit in some small spots, but even though it was that far away from the wall... Careful, don't break it in the house. Are you going the right way?
No.
See? So it's not just me. She wasn't going the right way either. Alright, so now I need that putty knife.
Right here.
And then that thing of parts that you had.
Okay.
If you could open that, it'd be good for the, so I could use the plastic for the garbage here. So what I meant by not wanting to use that one is, see this black piece right here?
Mm-hmm.
They come, that's called a horn, and the horns come basically pre-built into the base of the toilets now. The old school toilets didn't have a horn, so they used to use these wax rings with the horn in them. But that just restricts your flow even more now.
Okay.
So Bob and I just don't like to use those. A lot of plumbers do use them, but we prefer not to because we've seen it cause issues where it can fall into the drain and block up the sewer and block up their drainage from working and stuff. So we just prefer not to use those ones.
Right. And that's what this thing is?
What thing?
This rubber piece?
Nope.
That goes right here, right?
Yep. So the horn comes pre-built into the wax. It's like pushed into the wax.
Ah, okay, I feel it.
So we just don't use those ones, which is why I knew that it was going to come with that style, so I just grabbed one out of
The car.
I just grabbed one out of the truck. You don't have to hold that like that. It's a 360 cam. Almost like I installed the toilet before.
You might think.
So the base of this one isn't as
Wide.
wide or as long as the other one either, so. Right there, looks straight. All right. See, I have to use these plastic ones. No, these are for the... It didn't come with the... Well, I have the caps and stuff for me. Okay, that's fine. Alright.
Nice. I love that. I really do.
take this and this bag back up to the truck.
So that one is higher, correct? Oh yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not, the base isn't as wide, that's why you have that discoloration in the floor.
Okay.
Is that fast enough?
Fast enough.
Alrighty.
Now she uses these disposable wipes, but
I
they're
wouldn't trust
flushable though.
They're not really flushable.
No?
Don't let them lie to you. They say flushable, but they're really not.
Yeah.
If you stick this in a container like a spaghetti sauce container and put water in there and shake it, it's not going to break down like toilet paper. It's not really flushable. But if you guys haven't had an issue, then...
Well, that's why I'm having to plunge it.
Yeah, I'd put a trash can next to it and throw them in the trash can.
Okay.
If she's going to use them, put a trash can next to the toilet and have her just throw them away. Don't flush them.
Okay. I'll tell her. Maybe you should tell her. Take your word.
I will. I'll tell her. Because I even tell my kids the same thing.
Yeah.
If it doesn't look like it's meant to go down the toilet, don't flush it down the toilet. So, alrighty, I'm going to give this to my mom. Turn off your light. And take this tank out. I'll call him and I will get the book and then I'll be done.
All right.
Alrighty?
Good.